As with all good graveyards, there are a collection of yew trees that line the path towards Nevern church. One of these trees is famous all across Wales. The tree itself is nearly 700 years old, but that's not why it's famous. It's famous because it bleeds thick red blood. Why? No one's really sure. Some say the tree will bleed until a Welsh prince once again sits on the throne of Nevern Castle. But there is a more ghostly story. When the church was a monastery, a monk was accused of doing a terrible crime, and the punishment for this crime was to be hanged. They chose one of the yew trees to hang him from, and as they led him to the tree and placed the rope around his neck, the monk cried out that the tree will bleed as testimony of his innocence once he was dead. And sure enough, as he gasped his last breath, the tree began to bleed, and it has bled ever since.